Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about storing values with assignment operator. In JavaScript, you can store a value in a variable with assignment operator. So this is the assignment operator, as you can see here. My variable, my variable is our variable name. This is our assignment operator, and we are giving the value of 5. This is a number because there is no quotes in between. So this is just a number. My variable is equal to 5 semicolon. So we are assigning a value of 5 to the variable. This assigns the number value 5 to my variable. If there are any calculation to the right of the assignment operator, those are performed before the value is assigned to the variable on the left of the operator. If there are any calculations to the right of the operator, so this is in the right, those are performed before the value is assigned uh, to the variable on left of the operator. Okay. First, so we have variable myvar. The myvar is given a value of 5. So first this code creates a variable named myvar. Then code assigns 5 to myvar. Now if myvar appears again in the code will treat it as if it is 5. Now if myvar appears again in the code, then program will treat it as if it is 5. Okay. So once we have given the value of myvar is equal to 5, after that, even if we write this myvar in some other code below, it will consider that the value of myvar is 5 itself. So here our objective is to uh, put the value of 7, assign the value of 7 to a variable a. So this is our variable name. Only change the code below this line. Setup. This is the setup where okay, we have already said that it is a variable called a. Now let us write a assignment operator 7 semicolon. Okay, now let us run the test. So we have completed it. Thank you.